Okay, I'm back in, and I'm in model 22. So now I have to allow for price to reach into this fair value gap as well. However, I am targeting this premium fair value gap at 47.25. So that's my take profit, 47 flat. I'm gonna just do a tick before because price is, sometimes it's not the best fills, right? And I have to allow for price to reach down here at 909. So I'll put it a tick below that as well. Let's go here. We have our BISI. Great reaction off of it. It'd be nice if we close in this fair value gap, which is the model 22 fair value gap. We do not. Okay. I wouldn't like to see a swing low, but it's definitely possible. I want to see this level disrespected as well. I don't want to see this act as an order block. Alright, it's just in the middle of my screen. We have the opening bell in almost 3 minutes. This is really good because my risk is half of what I made on the last trade. So if I take an L, it's not gonna hurt me. But it would have hurt me if I was to go in with 2 contracts and then that same handle that I held, which was twice as much as my stop loss, would be hurt. So that's why I say go in light and let the tape read and take care of itself. This is not a scenario where I would put in more than 1 contract because 1, I'm already green on the day, so there's no need to risk any of that. And then 2, the way the model formed, it's very counterproductive to having price go into a deep discount before going higher. So as you can see, it's already made a really good expansion higher, and this is just a short retracement. It's not something I want to chase too hard, and so I'm going to go in kind of light, expecting price to continue going in that way. So here's bullish market structure. Got to get above that high. I like how it closed over this candle's high, but we got to get over this candle or this order block on a closing basis. Notice how the opening price of this candle and this BISI's high are the same. It's at 919 and a quarter, 919 and a quarter. I'm not gonna pyramid nothing because risk management. I'm gonna let my contract do what it wants to do. That's why. That's exactly why. Opening bell in a minute-ish. Not in a lame way. All right, these are going to get a little bit jumpy here. Relative equal highs above here as well. Okay. Stop loss is there for a reason. Okay. It just touched this fair value gap. What was that? 09? 09? Wow, so beautiful. Now my emotion is telling me to get back in impulsively, but I'm not going to. I mean, my stop loss was there for a reason. It's the fair value gap. And this candle might bleed right here, so I'm not tripping. It's respecting this order block. This is bearish market structure to the... Okay. As soon as I talk. We're just going to watch it. Ugh. Okay, we still have bullish market structure now. See how fast things can get, especially at the opening bell. So I don't trade it too much. And this sucks. It sucks. I have to say it though, because it meets the criteria. It's wicks do the damage, bodies tell the story. See how we had to allow for price duration to this BISI, and look at where we closed. It's unfortunate, but I mean, you know, nothing we could do about it. Chasing price would be counterproductive to who we are as a trader. So I want to walk away with profit. We're almost to 11K again. It is what it is. We live to trade another day. No need to get impulsive. Well, this is like one of those trades. I mean, if you watched the beginning of the series, you saw how how bad these trades were. Not trades, but just kind of like how the market moved and like how it knocked me out right before. And this is one of the examples. You know, it just it hurts. It hurts so bad because it took what 3 minutes right after that. Like it just took the tick of this fair value gap, and then 1, 2, 3 minutes later, I mean, look at where we are. Like your intuition's right, and you know it. It's just you have to allow for it. You have to allow for it, and I didn't allow for that. I put my stop loss a little bit too tight, and you know I paid for it, so it's whatever. Bulletproof. Mondays. Unfortunate. We got cheese. Bring it in. It's okay. Alright. That's it for me. That was easy, bro. Like, yeah, more than enough handles. What was this, like, I mean, 47, that was almost 25 handles. This was another 20, so happy Monday. Have a good day. It's the 24th. Mwah.